Alright guys, want to make a quick video because I was having issues with my Pioneer head unit backup camera. And first what you want to do, look at this, I had my multimeter, everything out, checking all these wires. But first what you want to do on your Pioneer head unit is make sure that the camera is first turned on. Second, make sure it's on battery. Most cars are going to be battery, camera polarity. They're switching to positive. So that's the case for the Toyotas. Now, from the Maestro RR, they're using that purple white cable, and it goes to the yellow on the factory harness connector there. My problem was I wasn't able to get the backup image, but now I do. So what happened was that the pin inside of this harness that came from Maestro was bent, so when I was pushing this in, it was not making good contact. So make sure that all your pins are straight across and they're going in straight. So if you feel any kind of resistance, you're gonna have issues, and that's the reason my stuff wasn't working. But now it's working, everything's good. I actually was going to buy another aftermarket camera and run new wires and all that. You ain't got to do all that. The Maestro interfaces to the factory camera when you're adding a new aftermarket head unit. Another thing that Maestro does that's really cool is you're able to buy these connectors, or adapters as they call them, and you're able to retain or keep using the factory GPS antenna, factory Sirius XM antenna, and the factory USB plug-in port that you have down here. Of course, you can buy an aftermarket USB auxiliary port plug adapter thing that you can plug in. But with that said, it's also it looks cleaner to me if you just keep that factory look. Also, when you get in here and do your install, try to tape up the RCAs, not together. I have them separate, and then I got them bundled together as a group. I kind of got them taped up like this too, just so they don't make contact, you don't get static. This bundle of RCAs back here is a no-no. That's going to cause noise in your system as well, so make sure that you get that taken care of. This is my Maestro RR data cable to the vehicle to get temperature gauges, all these gauges that you want to get. This is our Sirius XM adapter. We're using the Sirius XM antenna. This is our GPS antenna to be able to help the CarPlay and get the clock. Also, this is the USB 2 on Toyotas to retain the factory USB so you can get your CarPlay. Also, they have a HDMI or USB-C port back here on these Pioneers that allows you to mirror your phone if you want to do that as well. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and button all this up. I just hope this helps somebody out. Just double check your harnesses, make sure the pins are all good. If not, you can always jump them out and see if that helps. But for some reason, me jumping them out still wasn't working, so maybe it needs, some of these other wires along with this one to work as one. I'm not sure, but if you look back here, the RCA, you're gonna have the brown one and the yellow one that says rear camera. So hopes this helps you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks.